In this video, I will show you how to make a print-on-demand website completely for free. So basically, I'll show you how you can create your website, add your products, how the order fulfillment works. I'll literally show you everything you need to know in order to start doing print-on-demand completely for free. So I'm going to use Printify and Wix for this. And I do recommend watching until the end so that you don't make any mistakes and so that you can get started right away and you don't have to figure it out on your own. So both Printify and Wix are my favorites to do this, because first of all, Printify has some really good high quality products at very good prices and they are just very easy to use. So Printify is my favorite print on demand website and I do recommend using Printify. I'll leave links to both Printify and Wix down in the description, and we are going to use Wix because we can use it completely for free. So I'll show you how you can use Wix for free and connect it to Printify. So first you want to go ahead and create your Printify account, so click on the link down in the description and then click sign up. Now here I will just sign up with Google, and now here just go ahead and answer these questions right here. So then once you have created your Printify account, which will only take a couple of minutes, you now want to follow these steps right here, and with the link down in the description you can actually get a $5 discount on your next order, which will just make you $5 because that's $5 more in profit. So just follow these steps, create your first product, and then once you have created your product, click connect to Etsy, Shopify, etc. And now here we want to go and click on Wix. Now we don't have a Wix account yet, so what we are going to do is create our account here by entering our email, confirming your email, choosing a password and confirming that password, or optionally you can sign up with Google or Facebook. So now we have created our Wix account, and Wix is the best free website builder out there in my opinion. So now who are you creating a website for? Select yourself and click continue. Now here you can get started with AI. I'm going to set up without AI, and now here just want to type in online clothing store right here. So then click continue, and then it's preparing your dashboard. Now there are a couple of important steps that you need to follow right here. So first start setting up your store by entering your store name. And now do you already have an online store? For me this is no, so I'll select no and click continue. And now here for the product section, you want to select print on demand products right here. So just going to select print on demand and click continue. And now how are you offering your products? Select an online store and click continue. And now click continue to dashboard. And now there's a couple things we are going to do inside of Wix. So first I do recommend to actually choose your domain. So here is a domain you can use. You can also just use a free Wix domain if you want. But now you can also just buy a domain by click make it yours, and then you can go and buy a domain if you want. Then you can go to set up payments. But before we move on to these other steps, then what I recommend you do is head over to the app section, because there is a really useful integration with Printify. And first you need to set up Wix stores, that's very important, so click complete setup right here. And now just choose a template, or do it with AI if you want. I'll just pick a template, and then you have some clothing templates for you, and these are all free, the ones that you see right here. So let's say that I want to use this one, then I'll click view and click edit this site. So now you can just go and edit this site and upload your own logo, etc. And this is just a really easy drag and drop website builder. But now what you want to go and do is refresh this page right here and make sure that the Wix stores right here is now installed. So now in order to connect your Wix store to Printify so that you can actually have the automated order fulfillment and that it's all connected, you want to open up your Printify account, and now here under let's connect your store, you want to go down and click on Wix here. And then if you have a tab open where you have a Wix signed in, then it will sign in automatically. And now you can click agree and add, so it will manage orders, products, and read basic site and business info. So click agree and add. Now you can give your store a name and then click continue. And now you have actually connected your store. Now you can order a sample if you want. I'm just going to close this. But now you can see that right here we have connected our Wix account. So now what I'm going to do is create a product really quickly so that I can show you how you can actually add this to your website completely for free and how it works when somebody orders a product. So I've just quickly created a product, which you will see right here. Create your first product is now done, and all you need to do now is order and track a sample, and then you will get a $5 discount. Now in order to publish the product I just created to my store, I want to click my product here, then here I have the product. Now you will see it's unpublished, so if I want to publish it I can open the product, and now I want to go and select the description, the title, the pricing, etc. So then once you're happy with it, you can click publish right here, and now you can order a sample if you want. But now if I head over to my products, you will see that the current status is publishing, and it will actually be published onto your Wix store automatically. So now when I head over to catalog right here and then click on store products, you can now see that I have the men's heavy oversized tee right here, and this is the product from Printify that has been added to the Wix store automatically. And now you can add images, and this will still be imported automatically. But now what you can actually do is go and sell this product, and then once it's sold, then Printify will do the order fulfillment, and that will all be done automatically. So I'll quickly show you it on the store right now. If I go and open up my store, now there's a couple more things that you want to do, but I will just do that in the setup section right here, such as setting up payment methods, and shipping and delivery will be done automatically by Printify, so you don't have to worry about that, but just follow the steps right here that apply to you. Now I am in the preview mode of my website, and this is the template I picked. But now what I can do, if I head over to shop, where you will basically see all of your products, you will now see that I have this product right here that I just quickly designed. And now this is the Printify product. Now this is a very bad product, of course. I just uploaded a thumbnail onto a t-shirt as an example, but you can now see that I have imported this specific product from Printify, and people can now actually order this. So they can pick a color. Now I only added one color. They can pick a size and then click add to cart. Now I haven't set up any payment methods, so you can see that they won't yet be able to actually pay for it, but the delivery will be done automatically, the shipping will be done automatically, and it's just really easy to use. So now you can simply add as many products as you want, and now you can see I need to connect payment methods to your site, so you can click connect payment methods in order to do that. So just go and customize your site by adding your own logos and colors and choosing your theme, etc. And basically just follow all the steps that I showed you in this video. Now when you get an order on your Wix website for a Printify print on demand product, it will show up here in orders, and the order will be done automatically, and you will need to connect a payment method in order to actually pay for the product. But of course you will be paying, for example, for this product right here, €7.58, and you will be selling it for example, €20. So you will be making a nice profit without any costs to you. Now Printify doesn't only have t-shirts, they even have scented candles, they have stickers, they have pretty much anything you can think of. If I go to catalog right here, you can see they have a bunch of different stuff that you can try out, car accessories, towels, a bunch of different cool things. So again, you can sign up to Printify using the link down in the description, and through that link you will get a $5 discount when you follow these steps, but you don't have to follow these steps. And using that link you will get a $5 discount when you follow these 4 steps, which will only take a couple of minutes, and that will just make you $5 more. So again, create your Printify account with the link in the description, then here go and click on add a new store and connect to your Wix account by creating your Wix account and then entering the store name, which you can see right here, and just follow the steps in Wix right here. And then go to the catalog, select a product you want to add to your store, create the product, and then publish it to your store. And once you have done that, you are ready to actually start promoting and selling your products. So now you know how to make a print-on-demand website completely for free. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.